Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn only 6 words, 6 phrases in the story. Last time in Pete the Cat Goes Camping, we've learned some words about camping. Today, there are more things we can learn. Just Me and My Dad by Mercer Mayer. Let's see the 6 words for today real quick. The first one in the story, give it back or gave it back, means to go back to something. Someone was already picked up the campsite. We say bye-bye to the place and we go back to Daddy. We give it back to Daddy. The second one, do you still remember set up the tent from Pete the Cat Goes Camping? Here's another word, pitch the tent. Pitch here means to do something in a very short time. Like shoo, and it's done. Number 3, light the fire or lit the fire. We know last time this is called make a fire. Another word is light. You can see the things after you light the fire. And then number 4, if we go camping near the river, we can go for a ride on a canoe. And then 3, 2, 1, we launch a canoe. Then number 5, they go fishing and Dad takes a snapshot. They take a photo of the fish they catch. The last one, number 6. At night time, they don't go to sleep. So, the little ones stay up with Dad, because Dad is telling a story. Okay, good job everyone! We just learned the 6 phrases in the story. Give it back, pitch the tent, light the fire, launch the canoe, take a snapshot. Stay up with someone. The little animal finds out some great outdoor activities with his dad. After this video, you can go and search Just Me and My Dad, the book, and read the whole story. This is a good gift for your dad on the upcoming Father's Day. It's a really easy story for you. Promise me you will read the story to your father. If you like this video, please give me a like. And remember to subscribe me for more videos. Feel free to share to others. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.